Hey guys, John at Fix a Fence. How's everybody doing today? Thought I'd come to you a little small video that I don't know how many creators out here actually get to meet their subscribers, besides friends and family. I had an experience today. It was so cool, man. So I went to the place to go pick up all these posts, and I'm sitting in line waiting for to get served. Not any papers, but some posts. But anyways, as I was sitting there in my truck waiting for somebody to come and help me, there was this one guy, big Samoan dude, man. He comes walking up to my truck. Big Samoan dude, man. I was like, whoa, what's going on? He goes, hey, is your name John? And I was like, yeah. I go, John with Fix a Fence? He looked at the truck, and John with Fix a Fence, right? And I'm like, yeah. He goes, dude, I've been watching your videos for a long time, man. I've been a subscriber, and I always respond to your videos, man, and they would help me out so much in this field. I can't thank you enough. And he, and it was just, what a pleasure, man. What a pleasure. So his name's Richard from FenceWorks, and I want to say thanks, Richard, man, for watching my videos and being a part of this little YouTube channel. It's like, wow, I don't really get to meet a lot of my subscribers, but this was so cool. It was like a divine intervention. You know what I mean? He said, he told me, he said, I'm gonna meet this guy one day. Sure enough, man, we met a buddy of mine, Troy. I give you guys another interview about the guy that was a project manager on that ribbon fence. Right? You've seen that one video about the ribbon fence, Troy Deming, right? He's the one that told Richard all about us. He called me a legend. I just want to tell you, Richard, man, I'm just like anybody else. I got a dream of being a fence builder, but 30 years in the business, I don't know something, but I'm not the best out here. I just found a niche and filled it. Not a lot of fence companies were doing fence repairs, so that's kind of where Fix a Fence came in. Fence repairs and small installs. That way I don't step on the bigger guys' feet, and they hand stuff to me. So we spit it back and forth at each other. So this is kind of cool. So anyway, Richard and all you other subscribers out there, I want to say thank you for subscribing to the channel, following me through the ups and the downs, the ins and the outs, the pains in my knee, and everything. The success of this little fence company. My goodness, man, I started in 2009, and now my grandson's ready to take over, and I'm going to get some videos on that here pretty soon. So, but anyway, hey, you guys keep smiling. Have a great day. I just wanted to say, hey, thanks, guys. Thank you.